I had a thing. Xiġifieri I had a thing. Kien għandi 40. Issa anzjan. Ma nafx ġifieri jkollok relazzjoni jew ma jkollokx. U hekk ħajkonna inmissu maż-żgħażagħ ħa naraw x'jgħidulna di tat-thing. Meta jgħidu we have a thing. Iż-żgħażagħ, we have a thing.
Iva.
Ġifieri mhux relationship, tkun relationship, tkun xiġifieri.
We have a tail.
Thing.
We have a thing. We have a thing. Tkun hemm tip ta' affezzjoni lejn xi ħadd ieħor. Mhux bil-fors.
Mhux ikollhom xi ħaġa.
Ma tipo relazzjoni.
Ikun hemm xi ħaġa żgħira.
Tipo, femni.
Tipo,
Bewsa?
Nimmaġna jiena hemm xi ħaġa xi spark jew xi ħaġa.
Ġifier meta tajt you have a thing, hemm relationship jew le.
Isa għadha mhijiex uffiċjali ma tħossi sa dik it-tension.
Ejja ngħidu li jiena u inti hemm thing bejnietna. Nista' immur u nsibt fajl oħra? Jew tan-nejk.
Naraħħa tan-nejk kien.
When you have the thing with her only.
Yeah.
But then if it stops, you can go and kiss whoever you want.
Yeah.
Thank you for being so clear.
Thank you.
Iż-żgħażagħ.
This Love Island?
Yes.
I see. All right.
Love Island, Turkish Maltese, who explained the thing to us. Thank you.
If I had known, I would have dressed a bit better.
Oh, you're cool. What's your name?
Berjan.
Berjan, thank you.